Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series. The problem name is sum all odd Fibonacci numbers. Given a positive number num, positive integer num, return the sum of all odd Fibonacci numbers that are less than or equal to num. The first two numbers in the Fibonacci sequence are 1 and 1. Every additional number in the sequence is the sum of the two previous numbers. The first six numbers of Fibonacci sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. For example, sum fifths 10 should return 10 because all odd Fibonacci numbers less than or equal to 10 are 1, 1, 3, 5. First we will need a while loop. While current num is less than equal to num. Okay, let's assign value for current num. It will be 1. Let previous num also 1. Let sum equal to 1 since we are using previous num, and that sum will be 1. If current num %2 is not equal to 0, for checking if the number is current num is odd. If current num is odd, then sum plus equal to current num. Okay, and we will change the value of current num to the sum of previous num plus current num. Okay, and the value of previous num will be the current num. So let's declare another value. Let temp. Okay, and here we will say let temp equal to current num, and we will just use current num here to save the value in the previous num. Okay, this looks okay. It will be sum. We are using this temp here inside the loop, and it also looks okay. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.